Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
Deepak sir.
Just few seconds. Let it come completely.
Hmm.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Thank you, Deepak sir. And I should big thanks to Junior College Vice Principal and all the faculty who is assisting us for this outreach program. We should also be very much thankful to our respected principal ma'am who has given us this opportunity to guide our own students who are studying in Junior College of Thakur College of Science and Commerce in their 12th standard. Dear student, honestly speaking, career is very important and integral aspect.
Good afternoon. Lucky is a lucky Raja. Ad audience.
Nishikant sir, you are on mute.
Thank you. Because we were getting disturbance, that is why I have asked Akshay sir to do the needful to make all of them unmute mode so that there should not be any disturbance. I'm very thankful to everyone who is assisting this event, and believe me, this is going to be a very effective game changer of your life. This is the right time whereby we did a lot of time errors in the sense we always carried away with our peer group, whatever the peer states, we go as per their direction, which is wrong. Okay, and if you will really going to take a review of it, please go and do that. I'm sure we did a lot of time. We found majority of them, they are not satisfied with their job. Why? Because they wanted to do something, they have done something else, they were then they went to some other kind of job whereby they are not getting job satisfaction. Whereas if you'll ask here, whosoever is there with me, may it be Rupal ma'am, Parul ma'am, or Deepak sir, they all are enjoying their, even though there are a lot of work, there are a lot of commitment for the student, for their own department. For this is also something additional they have taken it up, but still they enjoy. Why? Because there are a lot of job satisfaction. So, dear student, career is very important. And when we talk about career counseling, we get so many options, which really going to take us why and how we will have to take the best out of it. So that is why your entire degree college of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, with the assistance, with the permission of respected principal ma'am, started doing, this outreach program where we are going to talk about careers after 12, and let's search your dream. When we're talking about dream, yes, it is very important because you might not be able to understand what is good, what is bad. The people who are there, uh, who has more than a decade, 2 decade experience, teaching, learning, administration, research, and knowing in and out, industrial exposure, industrial acceptability. They have seen so many, cyclical downfall, upgrade of those particular segment, and that is why today they are in front of you to guide you appropriately, to guide you about your future, to guide you in such a way that after 10 years, 20 years down the line, you will also not be in that lot whereby you will not be able to happy with your job, or you will not be happy with your company, or you may think ki अरे यार क्या कर लिया, we could have been set for something else. Likewise, so here, as far as the commerce concern, let me give you the brief. After 12th, you have options, actual option available for commerce, arts, and science. And if you go for arts, we have plenty of options available. You can take the BA program, but in our college, we have two specialized BA program, which is BA Multimedia Mass Communication. Earlier, it was known as BMM, and another program of BA of which we have BA till film, TV, and new media production. These are for those children who wants to make their career in this particular industry. Then other program is also there: fashion designing, interior designing, etc., etc., law. But uh, to be honest, if you'll go for fashion designing, interior designing, that you can simultaneously do it. I feel, and I'm 100% sure, when Parul ma'am is going to talk about different kind of skill-oriented program along with your bachelor program. So those skill you can get it. For that, you need not have to spend, entire your bachelor time and your efforts and cost for such kind of things. After this, you can be a filmmaker, photographer, journalist, and you can also make your career in sports. You can do net set, and you can be as a teacher like us in degree college. You can complete your LLB, LLM. We have in our Thakur Ramnarayan College LLB also. For you guys, choice is yours. But for that, CLAT एक exam hota है that you have to clear. That is the entrance test for getting admission in LLB or 5 years LLB to LLM program. And you can also eligible for any kind of UPSC, MPSC, any kind of service selection grade exams conducted by Government of India. Then we have science. There are plenty of options, but unfortunately, many of them you are not fitting, like MBBS and all. You are not a BSc nursing. You are not eligible. Why? Because you have already opted after 2 years of commerce. So for you in our college, we are welcoming you for two programs, which we have BSc Computer Science and BSc IT, whereby you are eligible and you can take admission. Then we have commerce, which we have already started our career 2 years back. And honestly speaking, in Mumbai University, the BCom is the highest number of student what the university is gauging till today, over a period of almost 75 years of their existence. And now the university since last 10 years has made the specialization in accounting and finance, banking, insurance, financial. This is where you have to take the right decision. Which particular area, sir, could be better for me to go, and why we should go, whether it will be going to help us in future, whether my career. You must have seen even in lockdown, these all industries were working. Okay, so this is the really, and the investment wise, you just compare the fees of BE engineering and compare the fees of BCom, you'll find there is lot of difference. Okay, so this way, with little investment, highest return you can get. Now why come for BCom of Thakur College of Science and Commerce? Because in our BCom you will be going to get internal and external evaluation, whereby internal evaluation will be on grooming of yourself. There will be case study, there will be project presentation, there will be assignment, different subject, different kind of evaluation will be done. That is required by the company, because when the company will come, they are not going to see your degree. Second thing, now your evaluation will not be as per the percentage wise, but as per the grade wise. So any student who are scoring more than 80% will be considered as O grade student. Try to understand. There is no difference between 80 and 100 marks, whosoever is getting, because all of them, they are categorized as O grade student. And believe me, in my career, there are people who has witnessed, I'm talking in front of all, many students who never score 100 marks earlier, when they come for our program, they are scoring 100 marks. Why? Because it is very easy. 40 marks is internal, where you put your regular attendance, be attentive in class, behave like a good student, attend all the exams, complete the assignment on time. Definitely you are going to get and score good marks. So that you have there in your hand. When it comes to external exam, C, which is known as continuous evaluation, and other evaluation is known as SE, semester end evaluation, which will be of 60 marks. Okay, there the minimum passing is 24. So even though you are passing, then also you are passing with more than 60% marks. So first class to ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं. This is what the advantage of Thakur as compared to other colleges, because there you have to appear for 100 marks exam. and there will not be chances of grooming. Here there is a chances of grooming, which being the placement coordinator of the college, I understand the importance of grooming. Many students having good grade, but they are unable to present themselves in front of company. Whereas average student who are able to present, company is accepting them. Till today, we are having the placement of 1920. Even in this lockdown period, also so many company has hired our students and paid, including Bank of America. This is what the importance of BCom program of Thakur College. We are having very strong placement, and that is what is required for you. How it is coming? Because every department of commerce, may it be accounts, may it be economics, may it be commerce, is having their departmental event which enhance the ability of the student. Of course, more light will be given by our Dean Academics, Dr. Parul Singhal, ADMAD, Account-A, Fun and Fair, Black Swan. This kind of event is going to groom the personality of the student, which is required, making them socially responsible. That is what is required. Development and grooming in 3 years bachelor program. So I will always expect you, and this is your rights. Being the junior college student, you can 100% take the admission in BCom. Nobody can stop you. Why? Because you are internal student, you have a rights to get the admission. You need not have to worry. But for remaining professional courses, yes, you have to go as per merit. There will be list, and then accordingly admission will be allotted. But BCom is your rights. Many students are not aware. Many students are not able to fill the form on time. I'm finding since last 2 decades, more than 20 years, 22 years I'm teaching. This kind of silly error student does, and finally landed up to very bad kind of phase whereby there were examples who was topper of our college trying for another college, could not got in three attempt, and finally landed up to some kind of courses in some other colleges. So they are going to lost everything, and now they have stopped studying. Why? Because they were not comfortable. Here in 2 years you must have seen the comfort zone, the infra what we have, and along with that this kind of activity which is going to enhance your personality is very much required. So please go for this short investment program, and along with that kindly do some skill development program courses which is mandatory for all our autonomous students. Then we have the program which is given the nomenclature as BCom Honors. I will advise any student who wants to pursue their career as a chartered accountant should go for BCom Honors, because this is, I am telling you, this degree you will not get in other than few autonomous college in University of Mumbai. NM Mitibai and Thakur is one amongst them. So here purely CA program we have framed. All the syllabus of foundation and inter we have included, including final few subjects which was required, which we could able to cover up. So if you want to do the CA, kindly go for BCom Honors. You need not have to study something else. And again, it is internal and external evaluation. Again, your grooming will also be done, and you will get a very good degree with more than 140 credits, which will going to have lot of value when you will go for higher studies or going abroad. So that is the advantage of BCom Honors. And along with that, of course, they are going to have the brand play, Account-A, art of expression, this kind of event, which is going to groom the personality of BCom Honors student. Many students from other colleges, other city, they are coming and doing this program in Thakur College of Commerce and Science, because you just try nearby, no colleges is offering BCom Honors program, which is having specialization of chartered accountancy program. We have BAF, which is again a very hot favorite program by all the junior college students. And real growth of BAF, if you want to check, you go to the website and check the Times of India article, whereby in 5th January 2020, there was article, and they found that in University of Mumbai, the growth rate of BAF is 198%. Just think how in a short span of time they are, and highest number of student wants to do BAF. But there is a limitation. What is the limitation? We cannot take admission. This is not your rights. BCom honors, BCom accounting and finance is not your rights. BCom is your rights. You can very much get the admission. Nowhere if you are not getting, BCom may please. But for that, kindly fill the form of university. Don't forget to filling the form of university for Thakur College BCom, and also do all the specialized program, filling up the form so that it will be easier for you to secure your admission. Okay, and accounting and finance is going to give you the vast exposure for doing any Indian program, professional program or international professional program. If you want to do CA, CMA, CS, entire material is there in the syllabus. 60 to 70% material is there. If you want to do MBA finance, 80% material. Many students who are doing BAF, they are never studying for MCOM. Why? Because the syllabus is such vast that MCOM, everything has been covered in BAF, bachelor's program only. You can be your own boss. You can get the international program advantage also, ACCA, CIMA, CFP, CFA, all curriculum is almost merged. So majority of BAF students, they are doing either Indian professional course or international professional course. Why? Because they need not have to study twice. Whatever they are studying here is similarly applicable there. Whatever they are doing study there, similarly applicable here. And I think Rupal ma'am is going to give you the guidance also. If you do the program in BAF 2 years, and if you want to pursue your career in Australia or Canada, we have direct link. After that 2 years, if you'll do it, then you will get bachelor as well as master program. So there are 4 programs: BAF, BMS, BSc and BMF. Whereby we have, there is a uh, program which is linked with those universities, which will be going to discuss detail by Rupal Shroff ma'am in short while. And as I have rightly stated, these are the different kind of activity which student conducts, whereby they groom themselves. Like they make their own budget. How the parliament is putting their budget, here my student is making all 56 heads. They are putting their funding, why there is low, why there is high, and then lot of discussion take place. There is a smile bulletin of ours which is on regular basis, covering all the activity what the BAF student is doing. Many of our students has settled abroad only on the background of BAF. They have got the TCS job and finally they have been shifted abroad. So these kind of uh, focused program, if you have planned from now, then it will be very, very good for you to enjoy your rest of life. So this is what we can, call it. If you will struggle this 3 year, you are going to enjoy rest of the life. But if you are going to enjoy this 3 years, if you have that kind of tendency, where majority of the student does, and then they are going to suffer remaining life. So my advice, being a teacher, being a mentor, being the vice principal of Degree Commerce, we are welcoming you in our college, which is your own college, one of the best college for any of the program where you want to fit yourself, where you want to, make your career, your life better. Please welcome and have your enjoyable journey of bachelor program or master program in this college only. Now I will request uh, a coordinator of BMS, Dr. Rupal Shroff, who is deputy coordinator also of IQSC, to proceed further for BMS and other professional programs. Over to you, Rupal ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Very, very good afternoon to all the students here. To brief you on a few of our self-finance programs in degree commerce, first, I would love to present to you BMS. BMS is, of course, one of the most favorite programs for all the degree commerce students, not just at Thakur College, but also at University of Mumbai. Now, BMS, a 3-year undergraduate program, basically teaches all the students anything and everything that a manager needs to learn. Everything about how do you run an enterprise, how do you run a business, till the time that you specialize into your business area, everything is a part of your BMS education. We offer, I mean, we being autonomous, we give you the elective. The only program that offers you electives is in the third year in the field of finance, marketing, and human resource development, HR. Here, the students in the first 2 years will probably learn, will learn everything. A little bit of management, a little bit of finance, a little bit of marketing, a little bit of human behavior. And then in the third year, he or she can pick up a choice wherever he or she wants to specialize into. This specialization makes him or her a little more clearer about where he wants to do MBA. Ideally, guys, all those people who are wanting to do BMS have MBA in their mind frame, whether it be MBA in India or whether it be MBA abroad. To us, most of our students either they do their MBA here or they go abroad or they join their family managed businesses. So the careers in BMS are, I mean, post BMS are, you could be a financial executive, you could be a financial analyst. We do a lot of in depth into research also. So you could also get a chance to be into equity research, into financial research, into customer relationship management. If you want to do if you are completing your graduation in marketing in BMS, then customer relationship management, marketing management, sales manager, advertisement manager, creativity manager, all those are the field and options open to you. You can also pick up project managers because we do have one specialization in, we do have a topic where you are taught logistics and supply chain management. So you could also get into project management. You could also get into, if you're completing your graduation in HR, you could also pick up a job with a HR agency and work in that particular field. Over the entire period of time, BMS does a lot of events as well to complement all your learnings. For example, Aptipreneur was one of their flagship events. Aptipreneur basically looks into how prepared you are for your MBA. It is a competition. It's based purely on the lines of your management entrance exams. We train you all here for your CMAT, CET, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, whatever field, wherever you want to do your MBA, whatever entrance exam you will plan to do, you kind of can try your luck here with Aptipreneur. And of course, like I said, management is BMS is all about learning management skills. So, it's not just participating, it's about organizing it and running the show. There is Brandomania Adventure for the marketing lovers, where we teach you how do you make logos, how do you identify logos, and what is it that makes one company unique from the others. For the finance lovers, we have Mock Stock Exchange, we have various quizzes. And for the HR lovers, we have a HR quiz and a HR week wherein a mock interview takes place. Guest lectures, seminars, workshops, these are the base of every program, guys, and y'all will see this in every program irrespective. The other such thing is BFM. Second one is BFM. This is Bachelor's in Commerce Financial Markets. BFM particularly helps you students, all those who are really keen in the financial markets of the country. For example, if you're really interested to know why are the shares being traded like this, how did the investment management company work out on this report? Why do you think people should invest into funds, into the stock now or into the debt market now? If these are the questions which are really bothering you right now, then you do have an inclination for finance, and then BFM is the right answer. Career opportunities at BFM would include investment management jobs into insurance companies, into private banks, into government banks. You could be a financial advisor, you could be a financial analyst or an equity trader as well into stockbroking firms. Guys, entrepreneurship per se was mentioned here, but let me just clarify here that any course, any program that you pick up, entrepreneurship is within you and it's up to you how you grow on it. I mean, it's like you could be into BMS, into BFM, into BBI, or into BMM. The entrepreneurial ability is into you, and college does have an entrepreneurship cell. called Prerna. So this cell basically identifies you. You got to come across, show your ideas. We help you mentor, and we do have a long list of students who have made it as big, successful entrepreneurs. Coming back to BFM, they do organize a lot of guest lectures, study visit to the RBI, to the to SEBI, to the Bombay Stock Exchange. They also publish a monthly bulletin called Finacle and Fin Street, which is their flagship event. Currently, it's on day 2 today. It's going on today also, guys. There you have a lot of games with respect to cryptocurrency, mock stock exchange, and stuff like that. That was all about BFM. All those students who are really keen on the insurance industry or want to pick up a job in the banking industry can start their training with BBI. BBI is focused on training students for this banking and the insurance sector. Banking exams, ideally, you're supposed to be giving them post graduation, but you are trained to be preparing for the banking exams right from year 1 of BBI. So a lot of students who have these aspirations of joining the bank and running the bank or maybe becoming a manager at the bank, uh, obviously the entry level at the bank is the banking exams, but you are being trained here. The other job opportunities are in the finance sector and the insurance sector. In insurance sector, underwriting, which is one of the most famous job profiles, is being taught over here. Like, what is the insurance premium? Why is it being calculated like this? How to be how is it to be done? All that comes as part of your BBI program. The other opportunities could be you could be a financial analyst, you could be a financial advisor, you could be a portfolio manager, you could be a project manager in terms of you could be handling portfolio management services with reference to wealth creation. You could be branch manager of insurance companies or at a bank, fund managers, and corporate finance as well. The major events at BBI include the major events at BBI includes Banking Nationalization Day and the Banking Conclave. Guys, over here in the Banking Conclave, they do get a lot of those big bankers who talk to you about why banking, how banking is the most important industry in the country, and what young minds entering into the banking industry can help the economy at large. They also make you do field trips and study visits to the bank to understand how a transfer takes place. What do you mean by a check? How do you fill up an NEFT form? How do you go across and do a transfer? All those concepts are being taught in these activities that they do. Beyond this, guys, BBI is also really very famous for its social activity that they carry out. That is, they are socially inclined in BBI towards feeding the underprivileged section as well as the beach cleaning activity. The next such program would be BCom in investment management. BCom and investment management. Now, guys, you would be probably wondering, BFM, BBI, or BIM में क्या फर्क है? BIM is purely focused towards investment. This looks into whether your investments be into the debt market, into the capital market, or into the foreign market. You are here also taught, given a glimpse about how the foreign markets work, how do merger acquisitions take place at international levels. What do you mean by derivatives trading? What is futures? What is options? How do you trade in the country, in stock market indexes across the world? All that is taught in BIM. It is more focused about even including things like real estate management, a little glimpse of real estate management of why you would invest your money into the real estate is taught over here. With BIM, guys, it's a very simple thing. You could make your career into any field because of a little bit of analysis, investment analysis involved into it. You could be into research. You could join as an investment analyst. You could be a financial advisor. You could open up a consultancy of your own where you could be helping people with how they should invest their money, how they should plan their portfolio. You could also be a part of their merger acquisitions and stuff like that, wherein big time companies obviously are into merger, demerger, and getting finances from abroad. So those are the other career options which can take up which you can take up after you study BIM. The major activities at BIM are they do have an investment awareness week wherein they teach people, where they teach the younger generation specifically about how important investments are. You know, it's like when you start investing at a younger age, you learn quickly about how do you manage your money. So with that perspective in mind, they have investment roadmap. They also have field visits to SEBI and the Bombay Stock Exchange. Beyond this, guys, Deepak sir, can I go ahead? Okay, so can I just take a minute more then?
Yes, ma'am, please, please.
Sorry. Okay, guys, like Nishikant sir already told you, mentioned, has already informed you all that if you do the course in BMS, BSc BMM, and BAF, if you do any of these programs, you also have the options open to go abroad. I mean, college has collaborated with University of Canberra in Australia and Royal Roads University in Canada. So with these two universities,
Rupal ma'am, yeah, that slide is here. Just a second.
If someone else taking it up, then I don't mind it. We'll do it later.
Just a second. Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
Sorry. Sorry, guys, for this thing. Now, the thing was that gaya slide upar gaya.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's here.
Okay. Now, for you people, guys, now this is simply saying that you do 2 years with our program. That is, you either do BMS 2 years, BAF 2 years, and BMM 2 years. In the third year, when you enter your third year, you get a choice whether you could join any of these universities in Canada or in Australia, and you could do your BBA degree there. Okay, so 2 years with us, we transfer your credits from here to that concerned university, and you complete your with another 1.5 year, you will get your 3-year BBA degree from Royal Roads University, Canada, or from University of Canberra, Australia. With Australia, we also have a one more program that with BBA, you could also do your MBA collectively. So another 2 years of MBA at Australia. So these are the different options open by studying with us. The only glitch is that you have to maintain your grade to be A grade for going to one of these collaborative universities that are there with us. Beyond this, guys, it's all up to your choice, and wishing you guys all the luck. Thank you, Deepak sir.
Yeah, thank you, Rupal ma'am. Thank you so much. Guys, that was our BMS coordinator, Dr. Rupal Shroff. And I'm Deepak Tiwari. I look after BA MMC. And I'll be telling you more about career opportunities in arts in our college. Yes. So, friends, starting with BA MMC, formerly it was known as BMM, that is Bachelor of Mass Media. Okay. So after doing BMM, you can go for advertising. You can become a journalist in a newspaper or a magazine. You can become a radio jockey. You can do a podcast artist. You can go to digital media and handle someone's social media account, be it a politician, be it a celebrity, be it a sports personality. You can tweet on behalf of them. You can put an Instagram post on behalf of them. You can become an influencer. You can become a social media influencer. You can go to films. You can join OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Z5. You can also be part of live events. Okay. So mass media department gives you such opportunities. You can be part of entertainment and sports industry. These are some of the best practices. Guys, the highlight is Cortokino International Short Film Festival. here so many college students as well as students from across the world, they participate, and this is organized by FTNMP and Mass Media Department. So we conduct a lot of activities every year. In fact, guys, you join any of the courses at Thakur College of Science and Commerce, be it BCom, be it BAF, BBI, BFM, BCom Honors, BMS. You join any of the courses at TCSC, you can take part in any of these competitions. Also, all these courses, all these programs at TCSC, they give you an overall exposure to various events and various programs, and that shapes your personality. So we at Thakur College, we take care of two things. First things, knowledge and skills, and second things, overall development. And that we ensure through learning by doing. So we have Face the Camera, we have Media Ki Baat workshop, we have LGBTQ awareness parade so that you are aware about the gender issues in our society. So all in all, learning by doing. Guys, this is the next course we are having. So if you are interested in the technical side of filmmaking, okay, you want to understand how camera shoots, what is the production phase, what is the pre-production phase, and what is the post-production phase, then this course is perfect for you. This is called BA Film, TV, and New Media Production. Okay, it is gonna open you pool of opportunities wherein you can understand how to make a film, how to go about documentary films, creating music albums, set designing. You can work as a production manager. You can become a script writer. You can become a writer. Writer in the sense I'm talking about screenplay writer and script writer. You can become an editor in a film or short film or a documentary or something that is coming up on OTT platforms. You can become a digital media executive. So if you are interested in the technical aspects and creative aspects of filmmaking and television shows and reality shows, then this is the right career opportunity for you all. These are some of the activities. As I mentioned, that Corto Kino is an international short film festival organized jointly by BAMMC, that is BMN, and BAFT and MP department. And it's an international short film festival. It is also slated on 26th of March this year. Okay, so this month only it is gonna be happening. Then students of BAFT and MP, they specifically organized Khajuraho International Film Festival in Madhya Pradesh. This initiative is supported by government of MP. So you can understand the kind of exposure we give to our students. We also have a music club. We do cine symposia. We organize documentary competition. Our students have won awards at different film festivals nationally and internationally. Okay, and they have won cash prizes as well. So these are some of the best practices of BA, FT, and MP. For art section, you have two options: BMM and BA, FT, and MP. Guys, now let me tell you about uh, 2-3 new programs that will be introduced from the year 21-22. You guys are lucky because the previous batches did not have so much luxury to choose from this bouquet of courses. But right now you have 3 new courses coming up for you. So one by one, let me introduce them to you, and you will be the first batch to take benefit of all these courses. Guys, the first one is BCom Retail Marketing. Now, it is a 3 years apprenticeship program. Try and understand. In semester 1, in semester 3, and in semester 5, you will have examinations to write. But in semester 2, 4, and 6, you will have to do an apprenticeship. It means you will have to actually go to industry. You will have to actually do a job. You will be given a job prior to even you get a job, and you will have to work with it. And that is how, based on that performance, your results will be prepared. So if you really want some practical hands-on training, on-job training, then this is the best course for you. This apprenticeship will be in collaboration with Reliance. We have already tied up with Reliance, Aditya Birla, and McDonald's. So they will be giving on-job training to our students. So as I said, in semester 2, 4, and 6, you will not have examination. Rather, you will have to work with industry. what are the career opportunities? So after doing BCom retail operations, you can become merchandising managers, you can do visual merchandising, you can work in a store and you can manage day-to-day activities of a store. You can be part of logistics and supply chain management. You can become CRMs, that is customer relationship managers. And as Dr. Rupal Shroff rightly said, you do any of these courses at TCSE, you can become an entrepreneur, because we have eCell Prerna and it is looked after by Dr. Rupal Shroff only. So in eCell Prerna, we train students from end to end how to how to create a startup, how to bring funds, and all of this. But if you're specifically interested in entrepreneurship, you really want to become an entrepreneur, then this year onwards, we are starting a special course that is called Bachelor's in Entrepreneurship. It is again a 3-year degree program on entrepreneurship management. And again, it has a 50% practical approach. Likewise, I said in retail operations, you had 50% practical approach. So here also we have 50% practical approach. We will be conducting industrial visits to IIDE and EDI in Ahmedabad, and we will ensure that you get a proper funding and you get a proper training from the industry stalwarts who are pro entrepreneurs. Okay, so this is the program for those who have family managed business or those who want to start a business. So this is a course for them. Why to choose Bachelor's in Entrepreneurship? Guys, because it is a part of Startup India campaign. You know that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started a lot of good things. So this is one of it. And if you have a passion for your own business and you want to be your own boss, you don't want to report to anyone, rather you want people to report to you, then this is one program, Bachelor's in Entrepreneurship. And we will ensure your mentorship from industry specialists, and you will also get to start your pilot business at undergraduate level. That itself is a very big thing. And about this international collaboration, I have already, Rupal Shroff ma'am has already spoken. So if you do BMS, BAF and BMM, 2 years you can do it at TCSE, and remaining 2 years you can do it at Canada or Australia. So we have collaboration with Royal Roads and we have collaboration with University of Canberra. Guys, now we are coming to a very important aspect of our college. Our college recently received autonomy. And to tell you more about the importance and benefits of autonomy, may I now call upon Dr. Parul Singhal, the Dean Faculty of Commerce, to take over this session and to tell you more about what are the benefits of autonomy. Let me tell you, all are very lucky to be studying in an autonomous college. So Dr. Parul, over to you, ma'am. Mr. Akshay, can you please unmute Dr. Parul?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Deepak sir. It was a wonderful session about careers in arts. Students, I hope you got a glimpse of all the different kinds of careers you can make in commerce and in arts. Now, what I'm going to talk to you about is, once you've decided the career, the stream that you wish to choose, why not also decide the college you want to pursue your career from? And since you all are the custodians of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, I would like to give you some points why you should continue with this college. One, we have been granted with autonomy in the year 1920. Now, autonomy is not granted to any other college. It is granted to a college which is well known. It has done continuous efforts in the field of academics and ensured that the performance is up to the mark. The autonomy also grants colleges the freedom to design their own courses. For example, the new programs that Deepak sir just talked to you about, like retail marketing, he spoke to you about entrepreneurship, he spoke to you about international BCom, are very customized courses, which is the need of the hour. Programs like Bachelor's in Entrepreneurship is because we just realized, we did a survey and we found out that most of the students come from business class families. So their basic intent is to start their own business or to assist their parents in growing the business further. So why not have a course that is specifically designed for the people to become entrepreneurs for tomorrow? So this is one freedom that autonomy gives to us. Second freedom is that when you're doing a specific program, you get a specified number of credits. Say, for example, if you're pursuing BCom, you get 20 credits per semester. Autonomy grants us the freedom and the choice to equip you with more credits. So when you are doing this BCom course, you're doing BMS, you also have the liberty to choose from different certificate courses like sales marketing, digital marketing, financial markets. You can make, you can do a certificate course in personality enhancement. You can do a course in equity research. Now, these such courses are not only giving you a hands-on experience, they are giving you practical training, but they are also giving you additional credits, because when you apply abroad, these credits go a long way. Third important aspect of autonomy is, from a pattern of 75-25, which is generally the norm in University of Mumbai, we are following a structure of 60-40. 60 is for externals and 40 is for internals. So if you're consistently performing in your classes, you're giving your assignments, you're giving your internal exams, you get the benefit to earn 40%. You already secure your 40% of the marks. So that is one added benefit of autonomy. So when we are saying we are autonomous, we are not saying that we are not affiliated to University of Mumbai. We are very much affiliated to University of Mumbai, but we are autonomous to customize our product as per your requirements. That is the beauty at Thakur College of Science and Commerce. So can we move to the second slide? The second aspect I want to focus on is that it is not only that I am talking that you should be believing me. There are different entities, third parties, that have authenticated what I'm talking. So if you can see this picture, you can see our principal, Dr. C.T. Chakravarti, receiving the Edupreneur Award. It is given to the patrons. It is given to recognize the efforts of the people in the field of academics. So we were featured in the coffee table book. So the next award was given to us by University of Mumbai themselves. We were granted the Best College Award in the year 2018-19. And you must have seen the hoardings in and around Thakur village substantiating that fact. The third, since we were always working in the lockdown too, we recently got awarded from Economic Times for excellence in growing personality through education. And we are really proud to boast these awards. And I'm sure when you join us, you are going to be a party to boast about it too. So next, please. The second point that I want to focus on is that TCSC takes care of you as developing you holistically. 360 development is what is the aim at Thakur College Degree College. We are not only focusing on the curricular aspects that entail around your academics, we are also focusing on the co-curricular activities and the extracurricular activities. Now, to differentiate among the three, curricular aspects talks about the curriculum, the teaching, the pedagogy, the academics, the curriculum, the library facilities that we have. The next slide is going to talk to you about how many books we have. We have an inexhaustible library. Deepak sir, the next slide, please. Yeah. We have around 59,000 reference books, journals, encyclopedias, and magazines. When people were not able to come to the college, we had an online mechanism of sharing our resources. There we have Wi-Fi enabled reading rooms, and we were connected with the students through our e-books and e-library. Next, please. The digital library and the labs are also assisting the students to grow more, to make them aware about different aspects in different domains. They can access these labs and get to know about a lot of things available on the internet. Next, please. This is about the research and development. Here at Degree College, we have a very strong mentor-mentee system. Every mentor is given a number of students, and he or she is responsible for grooming those students in the field of research. You will come to know what research actually is. You will come to know about why things are happening around you and how you can bring a change around it. So we are very strong in research and development, and one of the other projects every year, we get recognition from University of Mumbai in the research competition Avishkar. Next, sir. I'm sure since you all are the custodians here, you've seen this infrastructure, the classrooms, the digital lab, the computer labs, auditorium, the palatial library that we have. So next. I'm sure you have been a part of so many programs which are organized in the auditorium. Now, you can see some snapshots or glimpses of all the co-curricular activities that different departments are doing. All the coordinators, Nishikant sir, Rupal ma'am and DKT sir have already spoken to you about a couple of activities, and I'm sure you are aware about this Fun and Fair event, which is predominantly a signature event at the degree college, and you must be a part of it in last year. You must have seen it. Connexion is organized by communication department to enhance your learning in terms of languages. Lotitudes is a moot court room where you're taught how a case is defended. BMC School Visit is part of a social endeavor. Black Swan and Ganesha Ideal is organized by EBS FC and the Economics Department to enhance your learning and give you practical nuances of different programs that you're associated with. Next, let's move over to the extracurricular activities. Now, extracurricular activities are sports, cultural, NCC, NSS, and DLLE. We are one of the best sports team in University of Mumbai. Everybody is aware about Tarangan and Trishna, and I'm sure you are a part there. NCC, one of the best cadets, and NSS, we've been bagging awards every year for our recognition in the field of NSS. So in a nutshell, I would try to say that GCSE is not only providing you academic excellence, it is also providing you a complete ensemble, an experience in itself to live up to your dreams, chase your dreams, because this is the right place where we are equipping you to believe and achieve those dreams. So come, join us. We are there ready to embrace you with your dreams and take you and make it to a next level reality. Now, if you have any questions, you can write it in the chat box and we will be happy to assist you on that. We've also posted an aptitude link. Please fill it up. It will help us in assisting you with your personal queries. You can also reach us on this email address, that is tcscoutreach@gmail.com. We'll be very happy to give you guidance. Your personal queries will be solved by individual coordinators in that field. So if you have any queries, kindly post it in the chat box. I'll be taking it up. Akshay sir, can you see some chats? Nilama ma'am, can you assist us with some of the queries that the students have in case they are feeling shy to post in the chat box?
Guys, you can also raise your hand and we can unmute you if you want to talk to us directly.
Students, you all can unmute yourself or you can ask any query, any related to any program, any course, any opportunities that you want us to tell you about. And guys, a lot of our programs, we will arrange internships for you. And there are n number of certificate courses that we have. Okay, these certificate courses will help you in having an edge over others. You have also done the course, others have also done the course. But what is that edge that you require? So these edges can be given by such certificate courses that we have. Rupal ma'am, I guess there are some questions. So
yeah, just a second.
Yes.
If you want to go for mass media, so how should I go after 12? Deepak sir, I think you can take that up.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. So if you want to join mass media, you have to score good marks in 12th standard. Okay. See, there is no percentage bar in mass media. Likewise, it is in other courses. Like for BMS, you have to score minimum 45%. For BAP, and other courses, you have to score minimum 45%. For BMM, 35% se bhi chalega. But if you really want admission in our college, then you will have to score good marks. And for the courses like BMS and BAF and BFM, you will, and BCom honors, you will have to score really well. So guys, keep on studying. All your junior college teachers are there to help you. We are there to help you score good marks and come to us. Let's take on a new journey, which is towards the sky, and let's touch the seventh heaven. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Rupal sir, Rupal ma'am, the next question is for you. Ma'am, I'm Nishant Singh. I'm not clear about BMS. Can you please clear it?
Sure, Nishant. Okay, let me repeat again. BMS for one, eligibility is 45% in a single sitting. But at our college, we do have a lot of demand. And so the merit closes at around 78, 80K aspas. So you have to really study hard for getting admission into BMS. And BMS is purely on merit basis with with absolutely no quota in it for SC, ST or anything. So you will really need to study hard for it. Beyond this is a 3-year undergraduate program wherein we make it a point that you get to choose your specialization in the 3rd year. Specialization comes in either in finance, marketing, or human resource development. Wherever you wish to go ahead and pursue your career, you could do your specialization in that. Moreover, it is compulsory in BMS that after your 2nd year, you would be doing one internship program because we do have a subject in our 3rd year where you have to submit to us the report of that internship. It's a 100-mark project and based on that internship. So internship is a necessity when you want to do BMS. Moreover, in the first 2 years, you study everything, management, you study finance, you study maths, you study accounts, you study marketing, you study HR, and you study human behavior. Only in the 3rd year, you pick up your choice of specialization. There are too many activities around the year which are basically looking at overall development and personality development of the student, basically ensuring you to bring out the manager in you. That's where we are, all our activities are only and only focused about you building a USP for yourself so that you turn out to be the manager of tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, Rupal ma'am. I hope we have solved all the queries. If you're not finding it right now, you can take your own time, fill in the link. Yes,
there is
sir.
one more question. Yes, there is one more question. It is for Nishikant Jha, sir. Sir, what percentage we need in 12th board to get admission for BAF? Nishikant Jha, sir, the BAF coordinator and vice principal degree commerce, if you can please take that query.
Thank you, Deepak sir. And thank you, dear student. See, last year and last year, for all these courses, if you are Hindi minority, there are 2 kind of cutoff which we are going to get up, after your application form when there is a display of merit list. For minority, there is a different cutoff. For non-minority, there is a different cutoff. Even BMM, BMS, there is art, science, commerce. So now let us focus only for the commerce student. Last 2 years, it was 70, but prior to that, it was 78 or 80%. So as all the teachers, even Deepak sir, Rupal ma'am, has very clearly stated to you all, for any kind of professional program, you try to get as much as marks you can. As much as good marks you will have, it will be very easy for you to get admission, because even though you are from this college, BCom is your rights. There you can get admission directly. And try to get secure admission also. The majority of the time, what has happened, students take this blunder also. They don't take admission in BCom when in-house admission is going on. And then when the list is displayed, when we have allotted the seat to other students, then all the way they are coming and trying, pleading, requesting. Why you are doing all these things? So first, after your result, immediately do the registration on university portal and try to register for Thakur College, all different programs. secure your admission in BCom, and then you also apply wherever you wish. Suppose you want to apply for BMS, BAF, BBI. Apply in 3 programs. Wait for the list. And as soon as your name is displayed over there, try to secure admission. Don't wait. Many a time student does this kind of error. What they do, they are waiting for the last list, and finally that list is not getting down, and they are deprived of getting any of the program. So please don't do such kind of things, otherwise it will be a very big problem, and many students face this kind of problems. So please, it is my advice, first secure admission in BCom as in-house admission is going on, and then slowly and gradually try for your area of interest wherever you are looking for the admission, may it be BMS, may it be BAF, may it be BBI, may it be BMM, as per your choice. And as soon as your name is displayed over there, try to secure admission. Don't wait again. Of course, all the scheduling, what is required, everything will be very clearly displayed. And all the teachers will be there. There will be counseling desk. There will be help desk for all of you. Thank you, Deepak sir.
Thank you, Nishikant sir. I think we don't have any other queries, TKT sir?
No, ma'am, I don't see any query, but just one point I want to add here, that for BCom, BAF, BMS and BMM, we have the largest number of seats having in University of Mumbai. Okay, so you have the right opportunities here, you have the proper number of seats here, and today we will be circulating 3 things on your group as well. So those of your friends could not join today, you can tell them to read. I'll be sending you a flyer. The flyer has course-wise details of the courses, of the programs we have. And there is an option called click here. If you click on it, it will take you to Google Drive. And there we have uploaded our individual PPTs. So what do we do in our department? What are the positives in our department? You can really read it out from there. Another thing, we will send you a link. That link is a sort of test of yours. I mean, what are the courses you should be choosing? And it will also tell us that your interest area. And likewise, we can, include those things in our curriculum as far as autonomy is concerned. And third thing, you will be getting a college video. It's on YouTube. We'll be sending you a link. Please send it to all your friends. Okay. Tell your friends also about the opportunities you have available in your college. So with Parul ma'am, can we have the concluding remarks from your side?
Deepak, kindly mention that
Sure.
they can also forward it to any friends, not it should be from Thakur
Yes,
College.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
of the friend who are studying in 12th standard from any colleges, kindly forward those details.
Yes,
That is why it is known as outreach.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nishikant sir. Thank you, DKT sir. Thank you, Rupal ma'am. Students, I hope you had a good counseling session. For all your other queries, for all your friends' queries, we are here to assist you. You can ask them to fill the form and we will be there to assist you. So if you do not have any other questions and queries, can we just wind up? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for connecting with us. And we are really waiting to welcome you all at TCSE Degree College. Thank you so much.